Good morning everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Trinity Stamps. I'm going to share with you a process video of this cute card showcasing a lot of products from the shop. The first stamp set that you see here is called Shoe Sprites, and I'm going to use that shoe image there, really cute. I'm also going to use the biggest die from the 4-bar card builder die set, as well as the Sentiment for Almost Everything stamp set, as well as the Dust Bunnies stamp set with the coordinating dies. I am also going to use my TriBlend markers. Some of my new subscribers requested that they don't really have a lot of markers on hand, so I'm going to show you here that you don't need a lot of markers in order to color images. So I'm just going to use my TriBlends and one Copic marker as well as the blender. So I'm just going to put some music on and I'll be back after the coloring is done. Now that the coloring is done, I am going to use the coordinating die to die cut the image. For my card background, I am going to use the Simon Says Stamp Fog cardstock. I wanted to have a subtle neutral background, and I die cut that frame using the 4-bar card builder die set. And just to add more details and texture to the background, I am going to use the Lots of Dots stencil by Trinity Stamps, as well as some texture paste. And I found that instead of using a palette knife, I preferred using the Stencil Pal by ThermoWeb. It just made it easier to spread it evenly across the project, and it really spreads like butter. Finish working on my scene, I stamped and colored the images from the Shoe Sprite, the grass and the flowers, and I also stamped the bunnies and colored them and used the coordinating dies to die cut the images. And now I am just going to foam mount the frame with some foam adhesive, and just to make sure that I am adhering this straight on my card base, I didn't remove the backing sheet until I knew for sure that it was nice and straight. And now it's time to assemble the card. I also foam mounted the shoe house there, and I added this nice neutral tree using a pattern paper and some gray cardstock because I wanted the main focus of this card to be the shoe house. To finish this card design, I stamped the sentiment "Wish You Were Here" on some black cardstock and sprinkled some white embossing powder and heat set that using my heating tool. So there is the card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I will be linking all the supplies that I use in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Trinity Stamps YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook for more inspiration from the design team. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting!